everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to filter in Excel. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do it yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up Excel if you haven't already. After opening up Excel guys, you want to go and either create a new workbook or select an Excel file that you want to use. So today you'll be using this Excel file right here, so we're going to open it, and as you can see guys, this here is a table with some values in it that we are going to be using for today's tutorial. So guys, let's say that we want to, let's say this row right here or this column right here, we want to filter it by something such as color or value or something else. So guys, how do you do it? Well, it's very easy. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and select the column or row that you want to filter. Let's say this is the column right here. And now guys, what you want to do is go ahead and right click the selected column. And now you want to go ahead and find this option right here called filter. And here you will have four options guys. You can filter by value, by color, font color, and icon. You can select whatever you want. You will mostly need value, but you can use any of these. So guys, these are the four options that you can use, but there is another option that you can use right here, and it is called adding a filter. What you can do is go ahead and search filter in this options guys, and here you can add or remove filters. So after adding a filter guys, now you can see that we have a drop down menu appearing right here where we can either sort smallest to largest or largest to smallest or something similar. So guys, you can see we have now successfully filtered our table. So what we want to do is go back. We do not want to do like this. You can select whatever you want guys and however you want to sort it and which numbers you want to use for this filter. So we do not want to use this filter guys, but it is just something that you can do. But yeah guys, that's how you do it. That's how you filter in Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.